Go.
And for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and the bad guy hit me in my shin and I peed in my pants.
Listen. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head. Not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Woo-hoo! Said seagulls gotta come. Poke me the coconut. And they did. And they did. Got me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing. And then I got hit in the neck with a heck sack. Where'd it come from? Now run, 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 jump. I could be a backpack while you run. Run, 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 jump. Now stop. Pull me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, I could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater. Woo-hoo, ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Stop it, please. Woo-hoo, ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ah, ooh, ooh, ah. Please, don't hit me.
Come on, man. Quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds attack your face. Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from my hair run. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking, I found this big log, and I rolled the log over, and underneath there was a tiny little stick. And I'm like, that log got a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. But the seagulls poke your knees. Stop it now.
You're kind of pitchy.
You didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep.
Two high fives. Oh, killer.
Next, I want
awesome.
Yoda.
You'll be Yoda next, I
No,
think.
I'm better at the voice.